If you are farming Catizen, these are the things you have to take in place in order for you to get qualified for their airdrop. As you can see, Catizen have a lot of users, so they may want to disqualify a lot of people from their airdrop in order for you not to be victim. And in the first place, we were told that this coin here, this V token, is the one that will give us airdrop. They later come with another update that no, it is this cat level that will give you the airdrop. Their next talk now is this V token per second skitty. That's the thing that they said they will give airdrop now. Whatever these people are saying, just make sure that you do everything accordingly. From your V token kitty, from for your profits per seconds and for your cat level, make sure you work on everything so that you'll be able to get qualified for the airdrop. The only thing you have to know here is that as far this cat level is in high mode, so you'll be able to earn a reasonable fee token per second here and the other thing. And aside from that, if you want to also get qualified for the airdrop, you need to have on-chain transaction. If you want to get on chain transaction, how can you do that? You go to hen. Make sure you do all these tasks. You do everything. If you want to have on-chain transaction, you click on this daily check-in. Click on go. Before you click on go, you need to have Ton in your wallet. At least you can buy like $1 to $2 of Ton so that you'll be able to farm it. So once you check in daily, the check-in costs only $0.05. Once you check in daily, you already made a on-chain transaction. Like that. And you also have to make sure that you claim on this one as well. Claiming on everything like that. Don't forget to connect your wallet. Connect your wallet and your Twitter account. Once you do all that, you have to make sure that you do all these tasks as well, in case if they later come up with it. And as far you are doing all these things every day, so in your under achievement here, you'll be able to have something like this. As you can see, I already claim up to 90 days. So the remaining days now is 120 days. I will still be given another fish coin. So as far you are doing all these things every day, daily checking, do everything like that, this your achievement will be doing what will be growing up. So that's how to do Catizen in normal way. And make sure you go to this shop. You go to shop, you click on this uh free box, and then you click on this, you claim on this one as well. If you want to claim it, I don't think it's by force, but in order for you to get prepared, these people may want to use anything to disqualify a lot of users. And as far you don't go along with what they want, you will not be able to get airdrop. So as far you are doing all these things, then you'll be able to, or there's no reason for you not to get airdrop. Just make sure that you work on your cat level and you try to feed your cats. As a new user, if you want to farm this Catizen, you can still farm it. There is still enough time. I think the airdrop will come up in which is next month, maybe early of next month. It's supposed to be this July, but I don't think it will happen anymore. So let's just say early of next month, they will do airdrop. Make sure you click on this one as well. You can use the free version, the claim version, and the Catizen version. So anyone that pay you. This one will increase your profit per second small. And again, don't forget that Catizen is two. We have turn version and we also have mantle version. These two Catizen are same thing, but the only difference is just their network. So this is the turn version was verified on Telegram, while the mantle version is yet to get verified. Make sure you are doing the two. As you can see, everything is same. There is no difference. So that's it. So that's everything about Catizen. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe and share with others that want to know about Catizen as well. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel so that you'll be able to get a first-hand update anytime we drop an update for you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.